Alright folks, I found this at Walmart and it looked like a terrible idea, so let's try it out. It is a fabric shaver, which is supposed to get rid of these little fuzzies here. I made sure to pick the box that had the least amount of damage, and I will put up the images on the side here as we open this up, including my favorite one right there, not to be used on or by children. Thanks, lawyers. It requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Get some of those right there. Put the batteries in. So this was $7.99. I think it's important to note. So this right here is the plastic cover. And this is supposed to catch the lint. Let's go ahead and power it up. All right, so I put the batteries in wrong. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There we go. Whoa. It's vibrating. So this is a brand new shirt, and somebody washed it improperly, and it has all of this stuff over it. I figure this might be a little decent sample size, so let's try it out. Here it goes. Oop. Sounds kind of gnarly. Huh. Alright. I must say that it looks better. I'm not going to touch this area. I'm just going to go along the edge, so we'll see. It's going out of focus. However, I am a bit impressed. Let's go. I'm going to get these on the side. Yeah. Check that out. It works better if you go faster. Wow. So I was able to do most of that while looking through the camera screen. You can color me impressed. This thing was $7 and it did indeed shave the fabric. I don't know if this is like the best thing to do for your clothes, but that's pretty cool. Now to the fun stuff. When I was opening it, I accidentally unscrewed this cover. Do not attempt this. You'll see why in a second. Look at that, the blades are right there. It's got some of the lint. Let's just get it off real quick. Like that, huh? Now you see why I have this apple here. Don't try this at home, folks. I'm somewhat of a professional. Here we are. Here goes nothing, right? Don't try this at home. Check that out. All right, let's try it again. Super close. Let's go through the sticker this time. That one only went through the sticker. Let's try going at like an angle this time. Let's get one of the blades. The blades. Yep, that's throwing chunks. All right, it works. But what about a brand neutral soda can? Ready? Here goes. bad, but not too good. And what about the gloves for my hand? Let's go. Oh. There is a fire. Right. Alright. Man, this thing sucks. What about my stolen IMAX glasses? If anything, it seems like it cleaned it. Oh, my glasses. Oh no. Well, folks, thanks for watching. That was a lot of fun testing that thing out. I've never heard of a clothes or a fabric shaver before this. Some people I've asked hadn't either, so hopefully this video enlightens you at least a tiny bit. That's all I hope for. So this is your friendly neighborhood Brandflake signing off for today. Please subscribe, share with your friends. More videos coming. Don't forget to write your congressman, kiss your mother, check the batteries in your smoke detector. You might even be able to take them out and sharpen them or something. It even has its own receptacle. I thought it was going to fall out everywhere.